Hi, welcome to the Eastern Township School Board series of videos. In this module, we're going to look at saving, finding, and transferring file on the PC. So to demonstrate this, I'm first going to go to Google Chrome, and I'm going to go on my Google Drive. So on my Google Drive, I've got multiple documents in here. I'm going to drag a document here, I'm going to right-click it, and I'm going to download it. Now you can see down here that the document is being downloaded right now. It's going to take a few seconds, and then once it's done, it's going to glow a little bit to show me that it's been downloaded. Now, as is the case on the Mac, if you click on that, it's going to actually open up the document. That's not what we want. We want to find this document and we want to move it. So let me close this down. Now, in order to find my document, I need to double click here on my shortcut to my documents. Now, when you download something off the internet, it automatically puts it in your download folder. So I'm going to click on the download folder, and I'm looking at this in the details mode with the preview pane turned on. So if I click on the date modified here, I'm going to see that the last document I downloaded was this, and if I click on it, I've got a little preview of it, just like on a Mac. And if you want some details on this, you can go to View and select Detail pane, which will give you a little bit of information in here. I'm just going to go back to my preview pane. So here's my document. Now I want to transfer this document into my school folder. So what I have to do at this point is I have to go to my documents, look at my school folder. I can double click that, and I want to put it in here. Now up here you can see how I navigated this. So I'm going to go back to Documents, see my school folder. I'm going to put a shortcut of my school folder in here to help me navigate. So I'm just going to bring it back right here. So now I've got a shortcut for my school folder. So all I need to do is go to my downloads, grab the interactive document, and send it or move it to my school folder. So if I click here, there it is. Now let me undo that by doing Control Z. So if I go back to my downloads, another way to do that would be to just open up a different file navigator here. Here's a little tip. If you want to have more than one, because if you click down here, it's going to automatically close it. If you don't want to have more than one, you can right-click and select File Explorer, which will give you a secondary window. At that point, I can open up School, and if I want to, I can drag that in here. It's much more complicated, but some people are more comfortable with using two windows. So I'm going to close this down and do Control Z to bring it back in here. I'm just going to make sure this is working. There it is. So again, the fastest way to move or transfer a file is to just click, drag into the folder that you're interested in, and then go here, and there it is. So just to recap, we went to a website, we actually right-click a file to download it. Close that down. We looked for it, we found it in the download folder right here, and then to transfer it to a different folder, you just click, drag it to the folder you're interested in, go to the folder, and it's in here. That's how you save, find, and transfer files on a PC.